Differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. Cash flow statement versus fund flow statement. Cash flow statement is the summarized statement of cash receipts and cash payments of the firm between two financial periods. Whereas, fund flow statement is a financial tool, designed to analyze the changes in financial position of the firm, comparing two financial years. Cash flow statement is based on cash basis of accounting. Whereas, cash flow statement is based on accrual basis of accounting. The objective of cash flow statement is to explain the cash movement amidst 2 points of time. Whereas, the objective of cash flow statement is to explain the causes of changes in the balance sheet items, that is asset and liabilities between two financial year. Cash flow statement discloses inflows and outflows of cash. Whereas, fund flow statement discloses sources and applications of funds. Cash flow statement is a tool of short-term financial analysis. Whereas, fund flow statement is a tool of long-term financial analysis. Opening balance is present in cash flow statement. Whereas, no opening balance is present in fund flow statement. Differences in sides indicates the closing balance of cash in cash flow statement. Whereas, differences in sides indicates the increase or decrease in working capital in fund flow statement. Cash flow statement is a part of financial statement. Whereas, fund flow statement is not a part of financial statement. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.